Good question. Well, this is smart. That too. And she's smart.
Thanks.
This, not so much. But this is. And now this is smart. The world's first smart nutrient extractor, NutriBullet Balance. Because it was invented by some really smart people. It connects to an app on your smart device. Just tell it your eating style and allergies. Vegan with a gluten allergy? You must be a fun date. Enter your health goals, and this virtual nutritionist creates the perfect smoothie just for you every time. And the built-in Bluetooth-enabled smart nutrition sensor prevents you from doing something not so smart, like add too many blueberries to your blast, Dave. Oops. Or mistakenly create a 1,000-calorie smoothie, Sarah. It tracks all of your nutrition on the devices you already own. That's like smart squared. So unfriend your food journals, repurpose your recipe books, and retire those measuring cups. Because you've just found the smartest way to achieve ultimate wellness. Introducing NutriBullet Balance. This is the evolution of blending. Get yours at NutriBulletBalance.com.
The A2500 features 3 program settings to create your favorite smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, and then turn the blender off automatically. A new built-in digital timer displays how long your blend has been running, helping you achieve just the right texture every time. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. Vitamix is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A2500 with a 10-year warranty, part of the Ascent series from Vitamix.
The Vitamix Professional Series 750 is the most fully featured Vitamix on the market. Before we make some homemade hummus, let me show you some of the features that make this Vitamix so special. It has 4 preset settings and a clean function here that have all been specially developed with time and speed, so you can basically create a recipe with just the turn of a dial. Everything from smoothies to frozen desserts, hot soups, purees, and that clean function. On this side, we have the variable speed dial. There's also a pulse function as well. The 64-ounce container is BPA-free and has been designed to fit underneath most cabinets. You'll also notice when it's running that it's one of the most quiet Vitamixes on the market. Let me plug in my machine and start adding the ingredients for my homemade hummus. This is a recipe that you'll find in the booklet that comes with the machine. I have 2 cans of garbanzo beans. One of them has been drained and one of them still has the liquid. Next, some sesame seeds, a little olive oil, lemon juice, garlic cloves, cumin, and finally just a pinch of salt. We're going to snap the lid securely in place. And this is the tamper that comes with the machine. I'm going to keep it handy just in case I need to use it through the lid plug and press the ingredients down into the blades. To make our hummus, I'm going to set the Vitamix to the puree setting to ensure that we get a nice smooth texture. Turn the machine on the side, and then we'll press start. Another special thing about the Vitamix is that it comes with a 7-year warranty and it's made in the USA. There we have a delicious looking, thick and creamy hummus made in just a few minutes in our Vitamix Professional Series 750.
The Total Blender Designer Series incorporates a brand new element. That's a capacitive touch interface.
We wanted to really get away from all the knobs and dials and the busyness that is throughout all your other appliances in the kitchen.
In the last couple of years, we've seen capacitive touch explode in other electronic appliances, including cell phones.
All you see is the power button. Once you turn on the power button, then your blend cycle options come in. Then your pulse button is an option. You have your manual slider control. At that point, they all become options.
But when you're done and when you put it away, the buttons are all gone. It's just a beautiful black finish. And it's like it hides away, like it's not even there anymore, which is really what you want with all the things throughout your kitchen.
We have certain elements on the interface, buttons that will allow for pre-programmed blend cycles. We have the slider on the interface that allows the user to go into any speed at any point in time and allows complete control over the blend.
We've worked to make this blender quieter. We have more sophisticated motor speed controls. It's also cooler. It'll run cooler, which means you can do more work with it for a longer period of time.
The wild side jar, the four-side jar, the twister jar, all of your recipes and your favorite blends from those jars can still be done with this Designer Series blender base.
It's just very versatile, quick to use, easy to store.
There is no easier blender in the world to use than the BlendTAC Total Blender Designer Series.